Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze gold's next week forecast for your next week gold trading. So this is what happened on gold. Gold going to the moon last week also. This is the weekly chart. You can see that the gold price increased to the all-time high. That's the historical high price last week. This you can see 2232 is the start price last week, and the in price was the 2330. That's the $100 gold price increase to the upside. This is the all-time high, and this is the historical high gold made this price is this is the historically all-time high. So my Telegram link is below. We made massive profit last week with the gold trading. You can join with and get the VIP access and made good profit from the gold trading. So I am going to the FX Street website. That's the mention. Gold price rose to the unseen high, amid high US yields unfazed by US job data. So what is the reason for this gold demand? This I am thinking that's my forecast is the gold is the safe haven asset, that the market uncertainty is going there. That's a risk of sentiment. That's the gold demand. That's the FX Street mentions. That's the geopolitical tension and strong demand from China boost gold's market strength. That's the geopolitical tension is there. That's the last Friday evening, and there's an earthquake also, and the Middle East war is there. That's the US election uncertainty is there. That's the more uncertainty is market. That also China boost the gold market strength. So China buying the gold market, that's the strength. That's the FX Street website mentioned. That is the reason for gold demand. So you can see the last Friday I am going to the Forex factory website. That is the non-farm employment change about 200k figure, 203 figure, and the unemployment rate also dropped to the 3.8% to from 3.9%. but US dollar is strengthened this US data, but gold not drop to the below side. That is the gold not drop. Gold was not selling with the strong labor data US dollar. That is the reasons for that's the FX Street website mentions. That's the US yields is in amid high, and also market geopolitical tension that will help gold demand. That is the fundamentally economic setup. That's the you can see the next week is also in this geopolitical tension will continuing, I am thinking. So next week Forex factory, that is the GDP, so US CPI data report is there. You can see the next week Thursday, next week Thursday, that's next week Thursday, next week Wednesday, that's the CPI data yearly report US dollar. That's the 3.2% is the current rate, 3.4% is the Fed's American Central Bank forecast the rate high. That is the CPI data report is will increase. That's the help to dollar demand next week, I am thinking. But you should touch with the geopolitical tension if sell gold. So that is more important thing. So I am Fed Watch Tool website. I am going to the what is going on with the rate cut forecast. American Central Bank Fed, what they forecast to the rate cut. So I am going to Fed Watch Tool website. You can see. So that is the June FOMC meeting. That is also forecast to 47% to interest rate pause. That's the no hurry to rate cut. That's the Powell speech he was mentioned. That's the dollar demand, but gold will not drop to the below side with the dollar demand. That is reason for the geopolitical tension is continuing. So let's see the next week what is the going on gold. I am going to the technically analysis what is the going on. So I am using Fibonacci. This is the recent move. This I am moved to the recent move. This is the, you can see this movement. This is the recent movement. This high, this is low. I am using this, the what is the gold price, it stops this demand. So this I am using Fibonacci, this high to this low, that's the Fibonacci. That is the 1.618 level is there. This is the level. So I am hoping price will continue to do this next week also. That's the 2353 level, 2355 is that level. So I'm hoping price will continue to the this also next week and continue to drop and drop to the below side. That is I am hoping next week. So CPI data report will increase, that will help to dollar demand, and the geopolitical tension is there. That is you should touch with the more important if you are trading gold. So I'm hoping next week, that is the my target is 2355 will price will go to this level and drop to the below side 1.410 level. This is 2333 level. That's next level is the 2237 level. So I'm hoping this is the price drop to the next week. So this is my forecast. So if you are trading gold, you should touch with the geopolitical tension is also. So I am going to the daily chart. This is the daily chart. So this is the daily chart. So I'm hoping next support is there 2220 level, but I am hoping price will reach 2350 level and dropped. So you can join with my Telegram link to trade the gold, and risk management is the key for gold trading. Thank you very much.